I have a Chevy Traverse XL. It's 2016. Having issues with the transmission right now. It started slipping, so it needs to be flushed. But we had started getting some issues where it wasn't shifting right. It was taking longer. Different things were happening. So we had one instance where we were actually on the expressway, and it pretty much just went into low gear, and we couldn't get out of it, and almost pretty much stuck in traffic and couldn't go anywhere. Couldn't hit gas, wasn't moving. So, and pretty much what happens is it misses the gear and it won't find another gear. And so the gears are getting stuck. One solution that we got, just a quick reset. It's basically you turn it off, and then we turn it on the second notch to where the power's on, but you don't start. And then press in the gas and you hold it. The longer you hold it, the better, up to a minute or so. But you hold that, and then once you hit that minute or so, you turn the key off, and you keep holding that gas pedal for another minute or so, and then you depress the gas, and then you're good to go. You can start it up, get going. You can usually do this, at a red light, because what we had to gimp it into a light and off to the road, so that way we can figure this out. But that's it was just a quick fix. Just basically what it is, it's a computer reset. What's happening is the transmission's missing, and there's a bunch of valves in there. It's getting stuck, so it's not able to find the gear, and so then it's just all of a sudden not in any gear, and you're in neutral, essentially. So this does a quick reset. You can fire it back up, drive, get to where you need to go. We put some seafoam. It's trans-tune seafoam, specifically for transmissions in hydraulics, but it helps clean that out. We tried Lucas oil, but that's more of a, if you're having leaks, it's like a syrup looking mixture. But seafoam for the trans-tune, for the transmission specifically, worked fantastic. It cleans that stuff up. It got us by to where we could do a flush and get new transmission fluid in there. But yeah, quick fix. Hopefully that helps. If you're having any issues with it's missing gears, getting out of gear, can't all of a sudden you can't accelerate going up hills, things like that. Just a quick reset for the computer, and then it'll get you back on the road, get to where you need to go. But let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.